Hey crew, today I wanted to help you feel more comfortable with posting on Padlet, which you could think of like a giant bulletin board where we can post easy, quick information, images, and links in a collaborative, fun way. So like many things, there's a plus sign to get going. You're going to click on the plus sign and it's going to open what kind of looks like a sticky note with some buttons here. I'm logged in, so my name will automatically come up. If you did not log into Padlet using like your school Google account, you're going to come up as unknown or anonymous, and I'm not going to know who you are or who to give your grade to, so that's really important, so double check your names there. Your title very often is going to be either a question or the topic. So for example, why, this is for the I wonder, why is the sky blue? That's my question. And here I listed the question, answer, image, citation, so that's the requirements. Not for everything, but it's an example. And then I'm going to type a very brief answer. The sky is blue due to different wavelengths, yada, yada. And I'm going to complete my paraphrasing of the research I've done. Then when I want to add an image, there's a couple different ways. I can link an image by pasting, save, and it should pop up. Okay, so if I've copied an image address, that's one way. I can also upload an image from my computer, okay, and I can pick a file. Here's a hilarious picture of me and Paxton. Has nothing to do with it, but just gives you an idea. I can take a picture if I wanted to, or I can just search in Google, okay? Pretty awesome and easy, so it's very powerful to link stuff. The last thing I'm going to add is my citation of where I got my information. That could be a URL in this case, and that is just fine. Why? Okay, so maybe this is where I got it. I'm going to copy and paste, so I don't require a full APA in this situation. So I just showed you a real basic way to add information. The important thing is make sure you're identified. You have a title that either has your question or your topic. You have text, you have a URL, and you have an image. It's pretty standard for what I require for Padlet. Hopefully you feel comfortable. If you've created your own Padlet for submitting on Canvas, you're going to go to Share, okay, copy link to clipboard, and then you'll submit that to the website URL tab on Canvas. Thanks for watching. Have a super duper day.